Hiya treasures, Holly here, just with a quick video today. I received this package in the post, so I thought that I would do a little unboxing. I've never done an unboxing on the channel, so I thought, why not start with this one? This is an order from a seller on Etsy called SplatteredInky, and of course I'll leave the shop link down below. But this is not sponsored whatsoever. This is, just stuff that I genuinely purchased full price, so you get my honest opinion. And I'll go ahead and tell you, I've ordered several times from this lady before. Her name's Tracy, and I absolutely love the things that she carries in her shop, the things that she does. And I mean, you can see even from the box, look at that gorgeous little collage that she just puts on top of the box. And I have been known to, cut the collage off to use in pieces later on, so that shall not go to waste. But let's have a look. And I've not looked in here yet. As you just saw, I've just cut the tape, so you will see it as, oh my goodness, as I do. Now I love that she puts the things in these little glassine bags. So excellent, adding some glassine bags to the stash. And sometimes she even stamps them, bonus. But what Tracy has in her shop, well, she has, gosh, all sorts of things. But she has beautiful laces and sari silks and cheesecloth. So this here is basically cheesecloth ribbon. And a lot of the things Tracy will actually dye herself. So like this, you can see, and guys, I have no control over the lights right now because that is genuine sunshine. Yay, finally some sunshine. Anyway, that is, you can see there the sort of variegation. Tracy has dyed that cheesecloth herself, and that is just lovely. So I can see here some lace. Oh, look at those. And she will very often do little extra things like, oh gosh, the sunshine is not my friend at the moment. The little flowers and buttons, those are just little extras that she adds on. Her packaging, guys, I would say was the first thing that really drew me in. I mean, obviously, well, I guess not the first thing, because I placed an order, didn't I? So that would have been the first thing that drew me in, seeing her products on Etsy. But once I'd placed that first order, then the way that she packages things and presents them, yeah, she really captured me. Look, that's, oh my goodness, I love that. That is just such a gorgeous color. So that is more dyed cheesecloth. That is beautiful. And I don't know if Tracy will ever see this video, but if she does, Tracy, I absolutely love your products, and obviously the way that you package them. Now, slightly confused. Give me just a second. Okay. I think yeah, sorry, she's actually given me an extra. I did order 2 of the blue ones, but no, now what am I doing? I'm still confused. Oh, I think this one, I think this one here is just, yeah. Oh, bless you. That one, I didn't order this one. This was just a little bonus that she's given me. Oh, thank you, my love. That's very sweet. So, yeah, I did order these 3. But look at those. That's gorgeous. And, you know, like I said, this is not sponsored at all. She has no idea that I'm going to do this video. I didn't have any idea until, you know, I saw I had the box and I was like, well, I may as well record it. So, you know, her throwing that extra in is just, you know, her being a kind, sweet business lady. And I mean, look, isn't that sticker precious? So I've got to be careful because I don't want to tear that. Oh, now this, am I opening that right? Because, oh, that's different because this glassine is stuck down. Peel that off and just stick it over out of the way for the moment. So Tracy has the ribbons, and this is the first time I've ordered buttons, but I thought those are mother of pearl, and they are like a beautiful teal color, even prettier than is showing up on the camera. But I saw those in the shop and just had to have them. So she has all sorts of beautiful laces, cheesecloth, sari silk, seam binding, buttons. She has some fussy cut things like these gorgeous little flower fairies. I'll get it out in a minute. All sorts of things. Occasionally she'll have tags or bookmarks. I've bought a few gorgeous little flower fairy bookmarks back around Christmas to use in my Christmas journal. But she has all sorts of, you know, gorgeous little bits and bobs to add to your junk journals or, you know, whatever sort of mixed media you're doing. And guys, the prices are amazing. You know, don't tell Tracy, haha, but she could actually be charging a whole lot more than she does, like other sellers do. But yeah, I really, really love her shop. And like I said, I've ordered from her many times, and I will keep doing that because it is gorgeous stuff and just, you know, fantastic price. So that is my honest, true, unbiased opinion. So I thought I would just share that with you guys, and I will put a link down below to her shop. Go and have a look. She is a lovely, lovely lady, and beautiful, beautiful things. Just in case you're interested, I will find here's my invoice. I'll tell you just quickly the colors of these. Not that you can see them properly on the screen, but this one, make sure that I'm about to tell you. Yeah, this one is the apricot cream lace. So that's, shade that a bit. It's a really, really pretty peachy or apricot color. This one is lemon. What is that? Lemon drops. That's it. Lemon drops. And guys, just to give you an idea, this one here, that is half a yard, and that was just 85p. I mean, you can't get anything for 85p. These ones are called Summer Skies. It's the vintage style cheesecloth in Summer Skies, and I love it. These buttons are turquoise, vintage style mother of pearl buttons in turquoise. This one is Sugar Kisses, lovely. And I don't know what this is because that was just a sweet gift she's included. I do love that color, and it is something I would have ordered, which, you know, is what threw me initially. I thought I had ordered it. All right, my darlings, I hope that you are having a fabulous weekend, and if you're in the UK, I hope you have beautiful sunshine like we do here today, and long may it continue. If you are in America, well, you more than likely have gorgeous weather anyway. I talked to my mother last night in North Carolina, and she was absolutely shocked that we had had snow for 2 days here where I live in the UK. That's one thing I do miss, well, besides my family, the weather. Definitely miss the weather, but this is home now, so you live with the weather, don't you, Brits? All right, my loves. Take care, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.